Ready for an SEO revolution? Let's explore how AI is transforming search engines in 2025. First up, AI-powered personalization. Imagine AI like Google's Gemini predicting what you want before you even search for it. For the RoJob family, this means crafting content that feels tailor-made just for your audience. Sweet, right? Next, AI content creation. Tools like Jasper can whip up SEO drafts in seconds. But remember what our channel always says: edit with human flair to beat Google's algorithms. AI can help, but a human touch is magic. Now let's talk voice and visual search. Did you know 50% of searches will soon be voice or image-based? Pro tip from SEO Mastery: use Kwanda formats and AI alt text tools to stay ahead of the game. Finally, AI automation. Let those AI bots handle the technical dirty work. As we always teach, focus on strategy while AI fixes those pesky errors. Want more 2025 SEO secrets? Subscribe and hit the bell for the next breakdown, and drop RoJob AI in the comments.